We made it to Huacachina and it feels like the Sahara. We're in this big desert. So beautiful. Look around us. We're currently climbing the highest dune of Huacachina, and this is tough.
I'm tired.
I'm moist.
Huacachina, als heel mooi.
Famous oasis. Our first night in Peru, and we saw the sunset in the desert. And that's where we came from. Sunrise mission of the Huacachina Desert Oasis.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh.
We're climbing the biggest sand dune again. 20 minutes up. And I hope the views will be beautiful. I made it to the highest desert dune of them all. At least here. Beautiful. Yesterday we were here. When in Huacachina, go sandboarding and buggy driving, and that's exactly what we will do now. Let's go. Woohoo! Muy bien! I hit my head so hard on the ground. Oh, my jaw.
Vamos! Hola! Yeah.
So, how was your first sandboarding experience, Sas?
Fast.
Fast! Beautiful. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are waking up to see the sunrise. We are now climbing the sand dunes, but it's foggy, so we are not that sure if it will be worth it. No epic sunrise today. But I think we made some nice drone shots of the oasis and Ica in the background. It's still beautiful. Today's travel day. We have breakfast, go to the Nazca Lines and then all the way to Arequipa.
The service is $60 is this one.
Okay.
I just took 2 car sickness pills and we're gonna fly over the famous Nazca Lines. Very curious and a bit nervous because I get car sick a lot.